subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the ring bell. Thank you. Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video will be a story, a small story about fake products. Yep, from Aliexpress. Take a look at this. What it says: one PC, outdoor LED flashlight, portable lighting, electric torch, mini flashlight, keychain, solar charger. Okay, in every color, and in shipping it says that will be random colors. Yes, it's solar charged LED flashlight with 3 LEDs. We can see that, very bright. One push button, green one, blue one, black one, orange, all colors. How much is it? $1.12. I have ordered 5 of them. I have paid around $6, and I don't want to mention the seller on AliExpress, but you will see in a couple of minutes what I'm talking about. Keychain, solar keychain flashlights, rechargeable, and they work. Blue one, another green, another blue, and another green. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and they are very bright. Okay, now I'm gonna open one of these solar rechargeable keychain gadgets. You can see this is the push button. Here it is the push switch, the LEDs, the rechargeable battery, and below is solar panel. And why this product is fake? Now you're gonna see. Look, the electronic board with the switch and the battery soldered on the board with the LEDs, it's not connected with the solar panel. The solar panel sits there for nothing. And other thing, when I measure the voltage of the battery, it's 6 volts. You can see that. Let me light up. Okay, look, 6 volts. Hey, this one is not even glued. Let's check this one. 5.7 volts. That is the reason why the LEDs are so bright. And it's not even connected, the solar panel is not connected with the board, and the battery it's not rechargeable. Look, it says CR 2016 lithium battery and something on Chinese, 3 volts. But why is above 5 volts and it's not rechargeable and just sitting there? And when it will be empty, you will think that your solar gadget it's not working. Throw it away, throw it money. But I'm gonna use the solar panels. That's why I ordered this solar keychain LED gadgets, because I need it for the solar panel, but I didn't expect that I will find inside a problem, which is called a fake LEDs flashlights from some seller from Aliexpress. Oh my god. And I can prove that solar panel it's never been soldered. Take a look. Take a look here. This is the positive and this is the negative terminal. And now I'm gonna measure voltage from the solar panel to see that it's working proper, that it's working fine. You can see on the voltmeter it's giving 3.4 volts at my fully LED lighting that I have it above 1000 watts LED. Okay, this is working, but why it's not connected with the electronic board and why the battery is not rechargeable? Because this is a fake product. Thanks for watching. I have my solar panels for free.